Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about an important maintenance tip for your inverter battery, how to tell when it needs a water refill. Ignoring this can affect performance and battery life, so stick around to learn the key signs to watch out for. Reduced backup time. If your inverter runs out of power faster than usual, it could be due to low water levels. Visible sulfation. White or gray deposits on battery plates indicate sulfation due to low electrolyte levels. Slow charging. If the battery takes longer to charge, it may need a water refill. Unusual smell. A strong, unpleasant odor could signal electrolyte imbalance or low water levels. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on the signs your inverter battery needs a water refill, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.